Shakalaka, this changes everything for Ethereum, and this changes everything for Bitcoin, plus some expert price predictions for the top altcoins that are going to make your balls explode. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're talking about how this changes everything for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Also, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Now let's take a look first at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin's been doing on the 4-hour candles. Right now, basically resting on the 4-hour MA 100, below previous all-time highs, forming somewhat of a head and shoulders here, where if it goes up, we might see it heading to somewhere around the $72,000 area. Now, additionally, Bitcoin is basically just resting on this yellow spider line. Okay, these are thanks to CryptoFace. He introduced me to these spider lines. You basically just draw lines through the intermediate point, and we've just been resting since like at the beginning of February on this spider line. Once Bitcoin breaks through, oof, could be heading to like $100,000. Now, Ethereum is actually continuing in this trend it's been in since around October, just bouncing back and forth. Now, this is the ETH Bitcoin comparative, and it bounced off the bottom pretty much like I mentioned it would do, and now it's heading back up. Might run into a little bit of resistance on this downward trend line from all-time highs. But ETH also resting on a spider line, just sitting there. Now, ETH is a little bit different than Bitcoin. If ETH breaks through this spider line, who could be heading to like $12,000? Now, some news that's not so great in CoinDesk. They're saying that all of the Bitcoin outflows that we've been seeing, where we've been mentioning how Bitcoin is going from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase Custody, may not be what's actually happening. They're saying what's actually happening is Coinbase potentially going from Coinbase to Tether. And people are actually losing faith in Bitcoin. That's what they think according to this article. And potentially, they have some theories, but potentially it could be due to wanting to find a green Bitcoin. They're saying that, hey, the energy usage of Bitcoin is too high. It's just no good. We have to wait for a green Bitcoin because everything needs to be green. Or maybe we could just find out how to get better energy sources. I mean, duh. However, for Ethereum, great news for Ethereum. Ethereum exchange balance at 19-month low as price hits 2140 peak. That's right. Shown right here on this by Glassnode. This blue line is the ETH balance on exchanges. Look at that, 19-month low. Hasn't been this low since around August, September of 2019. And you know what's going to happen? Once people start getting pumped about ETH, like if some good news comes out about ETH, there's a lot less ETH available on exchanges, which will send the price up quite dramatically, which could potentially push ETH from $2,000 all the way up to $12,000-ish. Now, what's going on here in this chart with Bitcoin? Well, this chart, also by Glassnode, taking a look at the peak HODL points, and then how there's a drop-off during this red bull run. Well, we obviously haven't gotten our bull run yet. It looks like we're getting towards the bull run phase. But basically what happens back in 2013, this is 2013. Back in 2013, there was about 50% of addresses were hodling Bitcoin, and then it dropped all the way down to about 35%. Then in 2017, we had about 60% of addresses hodling Bitcoin for longer than a year, went down all the way to about 40%. Now, we have these Bitcoin hodl peaks around 60%, but so far only down to about 55%. So, potentially, we have quite a bull run coming for Bitcoin as the price goes up, as people sell their Bitcoin for gains. Now, here's the fun part. Expert trader Michael Vandepop talking about his peak high bull run cycle predictions. These are exciting. So get your balls ready. For Bitcoin, he says going up to $350,000 to $450,000. For Ethereum, $10,000 to $17,500. Polkadot, $250 to $350. CHAINLINK, $250 to $350. Cardano, $10 to $20. ZILLIQA, $5 to $7. Elrond, $500 to $750. And DIA, DIA, $50 to $75. Now these are interesting, and we're going to go into exactly how much times gains, but also a couple interesting ones that he mentioned here. ZILLIQA and DIA, definitely worth taking a look at. DIA is like an oracle for DeFi. So that one's worth taking a look at, because when we take a look at the percent gains, so Bitcoin, if it goes up to $450,000, that would be 8x gains. That's pretty awesome for Bitcoin. Ethereum, if it goes up to $17,500, could be 9x gains. So you might be better off holding Ethereum than Bitcoin at this point. POLKADOT to $350, 8x gains just like Bitcoin. CHAINLINK to $350, 12x gains. So far, CHAINLINK is the winner for the coin to hold. Now ZILLIQA up to $7. Right now it's trading at like 21 cents. So this would be 33x gains. Huge gains for ZILLIQA. I haven't heard much mention of ZILLIQA since like 2017, 2018, something like that. Elrond, if it goes up to $750, that would be 5x gains. And DIA, if it goes up to $75, that would be 15x gains. So from these charts, it might be worthwhile to look at DIA, CHAINLINK, and ZILLIQA. And my friends, that is all for today's video. I love these spider lines. Besides being rainbow colored, they just seem to work. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.